Hello kids, let's learn some shapes. These are our shapes. This is black color. It is rounded rectangle. Cross. Rhombus. Smiley emoji. Triangle. It is cube. Let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is orange, light green color, dark green color, red color, yellow, violet. Let us color the shapes. It is orange color. It is rounded rectangle. Light green color. It is cross. Dark green color. It is rhombus. It is yellow color. It is smiley emoji. It is violet color. It is triangle. It is red color. It is cube. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is rounded rectangle, orange color, cross, light green color, rhombus or diamond, dark green color, smiley emoji, yellow color, triangle, violet color, cube, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.